Hi guys, how are you today? As I mentioned in the last video where we installed a plugin for the Yoast SEO, I told you that there were two other plugins that I wanted to share with you. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can compress your images. Maybe they're a little bit too big and they're slowing down your website. So there's a plugin that you could use to compress your images and also have them shown and have your website run a little bit faster. So we're going to go into our dashboard. This is going to be a quick one because this plugin works so well. So we're going to go into our dashboard as soon as it loads. And we are going to go to plugins. We're going to go to add new. Click on add new. And in the keyword search, we're going to type in smush, S-M-U-S-H, and hit the enter key. And you're going to have a lot of different plugins pop up. And you want the one that says Smush Image Compression and Optimization. And it's by WPMD Dev. And you have over a million active installations. And this plugin is updated on a regular basis. One way to tell that you're in the right plugin is by this image here of a lady with like a face mask on, looking like a Supergirl. So click on install now. And while it's installing, then you click on activate. Okay, and then it opens up to the page that you need to. And you want to do a bulk smudge. But before you do that, you want to be able to do a quick setup to read through this to see if yep, you need to actually check off. Wow, okay. I think I closed it by mistake, but there's a way to do it here at the bottom. So it says strip my image metadata. No, I don't want to do that. I do want to resize my full size images. So you click on turn that on and then you click on update settings because all the other settings are done by default. So let's just check that one off. Wait for it to update. It's going to take you back into the plugin. And then at the top here, okay, you want to scroll down a little bit and then click on bulk smush now. So what it will do is scan your entire website, and then whatever images that it finds that it can optimize, then it will go ahead and do it. So it's telling me that I have 29 images and they're looking to optimize all 29 of those. And you see there's a countdown, this little yellow counter on the side where it says bulk smush. It started at 29 and it's counting down. And then when this is all done, we're going to go back and refresh our blog or website to see if there's any major differences. You're not going to see a difference, but your images will still be there. So we're just giving it some time to smush these images, and it's counting down. And it's telling you how much space it's saving on your website, and that would help it load even faster. So it's smushed 105 images so far, and it's optimized 21 out of 29 images so far. Okay, and we are almost done. We are at about 90% done. Just a minute, less than a minute more, and you should be done. So it works. This plugin works really quickly. All right, so that is all done. And see, we saved 121.9 kilobytes of space. And now we're going to go back to our blog. We're going to reload. And I'm telling you, you're not going to see a difference. You shouldn't see a difference. And the website still looks the same. Let's just wait for it to open up. The website still looks the same. Everything was done back of house, and we're still good to go, and your website should load to the search engines a little bit faster. Yes, guys, this is the Smush plugin. You just install it into your website, click on bulk Smush, and it will help you to save a little bit more space on your website in order for it to run faster. As always, thank you for watching my video, and I have another one that's coming up. I'm going to upload it in a different video to give you some more help. So please remember to like this video, comment, subscribe if you wish, and also hit the notification bell so you do not miss my uploads. Okay, thanks again for watching, guys. As always, take care of yourselves, and I will see you on the next video. Bye-bye.